Hello everybody, my name is Zareen Shad and currently I am pursuing BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Technology should not be limited to just our theories and one should focus on solving real life problems. In a country like India, where people are highly dependent on agriculture, maybe directly or indirectly, we came up with a solution and we came up for our farmers to be more tech savvy and not just technology which is expensive, but technology which is affordable and in their own languages. Our college supported us throughout so well and eventually they brought us the IEEE Hackathon. And guess what? We are shortlisted to go to Indonesia. Our college is also providing us a funding so that we can go there very easily and feasibility.
Hey guys, my name is Anrit and as my friend Zareen has given us an overview of what our project does. So me and Shivin were sitting one day and we thought that India is a very large country. And obviously in a large country there are many problems, right? Farmers being the backbone of a country face a lot of problems, especially since they don't have the access to technology and the right amount of information which they might need to increase their yields and benefits. So we thought about it and what we came up with is a ecosystem that helps us integrate the technology with the farmers and give them the insight that they need.
और हमने एक इकोसिस्टम बनाया, इकोसिस्टम फार्मर्स के लिए जिसमें सीड चूजिंग टू हार्वेस्टिंग सब फीचर्स एक ही जगह फार्मर को मिले। आज के टाइम में रिसोर्सेज काफ़ी लिमिटेड हो गई है, क्लाइमेट काफ़ी चेंज हो चुका है, सो फार्मर्स को काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम आती है अपने डिसीजन मेकिंग में। सो हमने एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया है एक सॉफ्टवेयर बेसिस पे जिसमें आप रिकमेंडेशन ले सकते हो, मार्केट प्लेस है जहाँ पे अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को सेल किया जा सकता है, एक कम्युनिटी जहाँ पे आप दूसरे फार्मर्स के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हो, प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन फाइंड कर सकते हो, एंड वी हैव अ मल्टीपल एजेंट सिस्टम सो दैट द प्रोडक्शन वुड बी बेटर विद यूसेज ऑफ लेस फर्टिलाइजर्स और पेस्टिसाइड्स। जितने ज़्यादा फर्टिलाइजर्स और पेस्टिसाइड्स कम होंगे उतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्शन फार्मर कर सकता है।
Our project Smart Farm is basically an AI-powered precision agriculture platform which consists of IoT devices, hardware, communication, weather communication, LoRa communication, and multi-agent system. Our field consists of hardware which works on ESP32 and need to collect all the data, send it to the master device, and master device is basically integrated to the software. The farmers can get access to the subsidies, insurance, and market prices. We also have a community where every farmer can share their view regarding the specific field and specific crop. By combining all of these devices, we have created a simplified, AI-powered, easy-to-use smart farm platform.
So yes, we are super excited and happy about going to Indonesia for our IEEE Hackathon Grand Finale. And yes, I want all of you to wish us luck to do better and well. Winning or not, we are looking forward to explore, learn and contribute to Viksit Bharat. I would like to thank again and express my gratitude, actual artist gratitude to our college, the faculty members who have been with us since day one. Thank you.